Hi everyone, today we'll be taking a look at question 415 on LeetCode called add strings. Pretty straightforward idea. We just want to add two strings of integers without converting them to integers or using any like built-in library like big integer or stuff like that. So the idea will be we're going to add them digit by digit. We're going to be using the same kind of concept and ideas as add two numbers. So if you're confused with anything I do here, please refer to that video first. And let's get started. So the idea is, let's say we had two numbers, like 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. If we were to add them normally, we would start at the back of each number, add them, and then move the carry forward until we reach the end. And if one number was longer than the other, let's say we had something like this, then by the time we reach the 5 and 4, 5, 6, 0, 0, we would just treat any number over here as a 0. So with that, let's get started. Let's have two pointers starting at the back of both of the strings. Let's start with the carry. The carry is always initially 0. And let's keep a result as a string. Like we say, while p1 is greater than 0 or p is greater than 0. This is exactly the same idea as add two numbers, or instead of keeping track of the nodes, we're just keeping track of the pointers. So how do we get the digits? Well, we can say let digit 1 equal if p1 is greater than 0. So if p1 is greater than or equal to 0, that means it's still valid. That means that we just get num1 p1. But if it's gone past 0 to the negative numbers, then we know that it's just going to be a 0. So what do? We just say it's a 0 if it's past it. Same thing with 2. 2, 2. Let's get the sum. So say the sum is going to be the digits plus the carry. Oh, one thing. Because this is interpreted as a string, we want to convert it into an integer. So we just do this for both of them. Then the actual digit that we're going to be putting into our result. So let result digit equals some percent 10. Because once again, if we have something like 17, we don't put 17 into the result, we just put the 7 and then carry over the 1. And we can say carry equals f.4 sum divided by 10. And let's put in the result digit. So result is equal to result digit. So let's see what our result looks like. Oh, one more thing I forgot to add. Let's say if there's a carryover 1 all the way at the end after these two values. You can say if the carry is not 0, the carry to. 0 is not a good example, so let's just do 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. Let's see, so 3 plus 5 is 8, 2 plus 4 is 6, 1 plus 3 is 4, perfect. But obviously the answer is 4, 6, 8, not 8, 6, 4. So what do we want to do? We want to reverse it, so we can just make it into an array. Split, reverse, and return it. Cool, works just fine, and works just fine. Talking about runtime, this goes through both of the numbers' lengths, so this is just O of n plus m, where n and m are the lengths of the two strings respectively. Awesome. So once again, if you're confused about anything that happened here, please refer to question 2 on LeetCode called add two numbers. But with that, I'll put a link to this question as well as my GitHub down below. And I'll see you guys next time.